ICP-ATF certification is one of the 2 knowledge-based certifications on the Agile coaching track. It focuses primarily on the mindset and role of an Agile team facilitator, while also providing group facilitation tools and techniques for effectively designing meetings and workshops that both engage the entire audience and drive towards agreed-upon outcomes. Through obtaining this certification, course participants will develop an appreciation for the art of facilitation as key to fostering collaboration and enabling self-organizing teams. In addition, participants will build their facilitator toolkits and gain experience facilitating specific Agile practices most relevant to their organizational context. This is all achieved through an interactive, trainer-led course that enables participation and active learning, supported through exercises and mentally engaging discussion.